Package development with Laravel. In today's session, we are talking about package development with Laravel. We can also install other Laravel packages which are already developed by vendors. So here in the our context, we have used PHP version 7.3. Laravel has a 6.20 version. In Laravel package Laravel Dompdf for HTML to PDF development. Package in your Laravel project. There are two approaches, approach 1 and approach 2. Approach 1 is used for other vendor packages which are already developed from other third party companies and other developers, and which are available from packages.org, which has some archives and new packages. And other one is approach to create your own package using Composer. So we are in this session we are talking about approach 1, install vendor packages using Composer. So let me assume here DOM PDF package is our example package. So in step 1, Composer require with package name. Composer require package name, and before that we have to check about Composer dump-autoload. So its purpose is about we have to check all dependencies which are already developed and added in our project. So any ambiguity and issues we can resolve before our installation. In step 2, add provider in class app.php. So beverage, DOM PDF and service provider class. So after Composer require installation, we have to add its service provider class in our app.php. Add alias about class. So in namespace we can use it in controller file. PDF beverage DOM PDF class. So in controller use PDF. So we can use PDF to in caps lock PDF to generate our class, generate our object and get output. Test your dependency. So we have to load our new updated changes. So once again we have to check our dependency Composer dump-autoload, and then at last publish our package. So PHP artisan vendor publish. We can publish using number of packages by is 01234 ID, and manual we can publish our desired package. Thank you.